Kosmo? I know you're hungry. The doctor said you gained too much weight. Hi, buddy. Kosmo. I know. Yeah, I'd like to get you some more food there, but the doctor says no. We don't want you to have kitty diabetes. Yeah, I know. I know you're hungry. I know. I know. It's not fair. Kosmo, there's no food in there, buddy. You gotta go with what the doctor says you should have. Yeah, I know. It's not fair. A beautiful boy like you shouldn't be deprived. We don't want you to get diabetes. Yeah, you're not gonna call cat social services on us, are you? No, please, not PETA, not them. You wanna jump up here? Come here. Psst, 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 psst. Oh, here comes the other one. You're hungry too, huh, Mouse? I know you don't need to be on a diet, but Kosmo steals everybody's food, so we have to pick it all up. Oh boy. Now they've both turned their backs on me. They're mad. I'm sorry, boys. Sometimes you gotta be cruel to be kind. I love you too much to leave the food down for you. So you can be mad at me, but I still love you. Mousy. Kosmo. Mousy. Hey, got it, boy. You gonna jump up here? No? There he is. Ah, he's my buddy again. There's my buddy. Yeah. You can't stay mad at me for long, huh? Yeah. Ah! Oh! Yes, indeed. I think I'm not going to bet you for a little bit. We'll wait for you to get over your pout. Mousy. Nope, there's no food there. Mousy. Mousy.